are some things you can do if your employer won't accommodate you or won't let you return to work until you're off light duty restrictions. My name's Paige Sparks. I'm an employment lawyer, and if you request accommodations for your disability, they can't just say no without telling you why or talking about it. I hear about a lot of companies that just have a blanket policy to never let someone work when they're on light duty, and that's not how it's supposed to work. For example, if you hurt your back at work and you can't lift over 15 pounds for 2 weeks, but that's kind of a function of your job, you can request a reasonable accommodation for light duty restrictions. I've seen a lot of police departments try to do this when they say, well, you can't perform your full duties as an officer, so you have unpaid leave for 2 weeks until you're off your restriction. For that situation, if there is a position they can temporarily do, like answering the phone at a desk for 2 weeks, and they didn't talk with them about that being an option, that's a problem. Your employer doesn't have to give the specific accommodation that you request, but they do need to interact with you to tell you why they can or cannot accommodate you. For my clients, if there is no legitimate business reason to deny the accommodation, I will usually make a complaint for disability discrimination. That way we preserve the claim. 9 times out of 10, the company starts accommodating them. Imagine that.
Excellent.
I wish I would have known this before I was a lawyer, because I actually worked for somebody who told me I wasn't able to work with light duty restrictions when I broke my leg. If I knew then what I know now, I would have definitely done this, and I probably would have been able to work. Let me know what other questions you have about employment law.